Welcome to the very first video on my channel. In this video, we'll explore one of the largest and most trusted trading companies in the world, Exness. Whether you're a complete beginner in the Forex world or already have some experience, this video will walk you step by step through how to open an account with Exness and why it's one of the top choices for traders around the globe. Make sure to watch until the end to start your trading journey with confidence and security. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our new tutorials. Exness is one of the largest companies in the Forex world, with over 1 million active traders around the globe. The company holds multiple certifications and licenses, which we'll talk about shortly. Exness also provides 24/7 customer support in multiple languages. Most importantly, with Exness, you can trade currencies, gold, oil, currency indices, and even cryptocurrencies. Top features of Exness: strong regulation and global licensing. Exness is regulated by trusted authorities such as the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CYSEC, providing clients with a high level of trust and safety. Instant deposits and withdrawals. One of Exness's best features is its ultra-fast processing of deposits and withdrawals. Most transactions are instant with no delays. Low spreads and fast execution. Exness offers very low spreads, especially with raw spread accounts, and fast trade execution with no requotes. Flexible leverage. The company offers high leverage, up to unlimited in some cases, depending on your country and account type, giving traders more flexibility in managing positions. Customer support. Exness provides excellent 24/7 customer support, available in 14 languages, such as English, Arabic, Chinese as well, ready to assist with any questions or issues. User-friendly trading platforms. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, Exness offers smooth and easy-to-use platforms like MT4 and MT5, perfect for beginners. Variety of account types. Exness offers several account options to suit all types of traders, whether you're a beginner or a pro: standard, raw spread, zero, pro. Full transparency. Exness publishes regular reports on trading volumes and client withdrawals, reflecting a high level of transparency and credibility. Free educational materials and analysis. The company provides daily market analysis, articles, and videos to help traders make smarter decisions. The company provides strong protection for trading accounts, which allows you to trade with a high level of security, and that's a very important factor in the world of Forex. Now let's move on to the next step: opening an account with Exness. You'll find the registration link in the description below this video. Once you click the link, this page will open. Click on Register to continue. You'll then be taken to the next page, where you need to click on Create an account. Next, choose your country of residence, enter your email address and password, then click Continue. After that, you'll receive an activation link in your email. Click it to verify your account. Once it's activated, you can log in directly to the Exness website. Now, after clicking the link sent to your email, you'll be redirected to the login page. Log in, and you'll see this page. This is your personal trading account dashboard. Before you can start trading, depositing, or withdrawing, the most important step is to verify your account. To do that, click on the icon at the top right corner, then choose Settings. This page will open, where you can see your account verification status. In my case, it's full verified, which means my identity has been confirmed. Once your account is fully verified, you'll have unlimited deposit limits and full access to all features. The first step in verifying your account, so that you can start trading, depositing, and withdrawing, is completing your personal details. This includes verifying your mobile number, entering your full name, and providing other information like your residential address. Make sure the address you enter matches the one shown on your ID or passport, because it will be used again in the second verification step. Step 2, identity verification. You'll need to upload a valid government-issued ID such as a passport or national ID card, showing your name and address. Step 3. Proof of residence. Upload a proof of address document. This can be a bank statement or a utility bill such as electricity, water, or internet. Once you complete all 3 steps, submit the application. Your account will usually be verified within 24 hours. After that, you can start real trading. Opening a trading account. The next step is to open a real or demo account. Click on Open Account and you'll see a list of available account types. The most popular ones are Standard Account, recommended for most traders. Cent Account, great for small amounts and beginners. Then there are Professional Accounts, for more experienced traders. Let's choose the Standard Account, then click Continue. You'll now see 2 options. A Demo Account, great for testing the platform, spreads, and order execution speed. A Real Account, for actual trading with real funds. Select the account you want. Choose your base currency. We'll keep it as USD dollars. Set a nickname for your account, useful if you plan to open multiple accounts. Choose your leverage. For example, 1 to 2,000. Choose your trading platform. Here we'll use MetaTrader 4. Now set your trading account password. This is different from your Exness website password, and it's used to log in to the MetaTrader platform and place trades. Make sure your password meets the security requirements, then click Create Account. Once the account is created, it will appear in your account area. Click Trade to download the trading platform and learn how to log in. Now, in this section, if we click on the 3 dots next to the account, transfer funds to move money between your accounts inside Exness, change leverage. If you want to adjust the leverage level for this account, rename account. This is helpful if you have multiple accounts, so you can easily recognize each one by a custom name. Account information. This includes 3 key details you'll need to log into the MetaTrader platform. The server name, the account number, the trading account password. Set read-only access. You can generate a password for someone to view your trades without having any control over the account. This is useful for sharing performance with others. Change trading password, if you want to update the password used to log into MetaTrader. Archive account. If you're not planning to use this account anymore, you can archive it and it will appear in the archived section. Now, let's go over the deposit and withdrawal methods available on Exness. First, under the deposit section, you'll see all the available funding methods. Each method includes details such as execution speed, maximum amount per transaction, deposit fees, if any. The second option is withdrawal methods, such as NetTeller and Skrill, along with other supported options in your region. You'll also find an option for internal transfers, which allows you to transfer funds between your own accounts or send money to another Exness user. These transfers are instant and the amount can range from $1 to $1 million. That wraps up this video. In the next episode, we'll show you how to log into the MetaTrader platform, how to place trades, and give you a simple explanation of the platform's tools and user interface. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.